Good day, students from St. Padre Pio, St. Thomas Aquinas, and St. John Bosco. So again, this is Mom Tina, your teacher for Empowerment Technologies. And this video is a tutorial for you to learn how to use mail merge in your MS Word. So before watching this video, I expect you to have read our PowerPoint presentation about MS Word, so it won't be hard for you to understand this tutorial. Anyway, let's begin. Okay, so I already opened a document here and I already went to mailings. And take a look on the second group here called Start Mail Merge. Sa Start Mail Merge na yon, merong tatlong parts, which are Start Mail Merge, Select Recipients, and Edit Recipient List. So first, let's click Start Mail Merge. So after clicking, ito ang lalabas. And since we're going to focus on making letters, so let's click letters. Susunod ay select recipient list or select recipients. So there are three here, which are type a new list, use an existing list, or choose from Outlook contacts. So, para makita nyo kung paano gumawa ng new list, since I already have an existing list, pindutin natin tong type a new list. So, there are a lot of columns there, as you can see, which are title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip code, country or region, home phone, work phone, email, and email address. So, we know that in order for us, or it's a part of the letter to have a date, right? But, wala kayong nakitang date. So, what are we going to do? All we have to do is to click Customize Columns. Okay, so ito po yung nabasa ko kanina or binasa ko kanina. So, after that, let's click Add and then enter date. Click OK. But we need to move down that field because merong problema kapag nilagay natin doon. Maghahalo-halo po siya. So, we really need to move it down at the very bottom of the list. Then, click OK. So, title, usually, ang ginagamit natin ay Miss, Mr., Mrs., or maybe you can do honorable, whatever title you may enter. And then, first name, last name, you already know that. It's not necessary to fill that up, all of them, pero we need to fill out at least the title, first name, last name, address, all of the address, and date. Okay? Okay, so since alam nyo na po, let's click use an existing list because I already have a list of my own. So I'm gonna click here mail merge. Anyway, kapag po ang pinindot nyo po ay type a new list, after making new list, for example, Mr. Josh Domingo Mateo. Let me just type here. let's just enter the date today when I made this video. There. And then let's have one more. Let's change the date. There. Just click OK once you already entered all of the recipients. And then automatically you have to save that, maybe here. There. I just want to change my existing list into something else. Okay, so now we're done upon selecting recipients. So now let's do the other steps. Upon writing a letter, the first thing that we write is the date, right? So let's click Insert Merge Field, and then we need to select Date, and then click Insert. So now you can see here the date. Let's preview it. Let's see if what happens if we print it. So there. So I think I have 4 recipients on my recipient list. So you just have to click next record so we can jump to the next recipient. October 1, October 2. There. October 1, October 2, then October, just until October 2. Okay? Then we can always change the preview there. Next is the address block. So all you have to do is click that, and then you can pick here. Pwede ka mamili kung paano mo gusto makikita yung address ng inyong mga recipients. So only include the country, region if different. What's that? So there's a third one, the second one, and the first one. So I prefer the first one there. So insert recipient's name in this format. You can also change that. For example, there, kung gusto mo lang yung pangalan ng pamilya, or this one, yung full name, or may iba din siyang arrangement ng name. So I think I prefer the second one. There. Then click OK. So you already have the date and the address block. What's next? Of course, your greeting line. So you pick here, what do you want? Dear or to? So I want dear because my letter is about inviting for the Christmas holidays. So it's an invitation. So dear. And then, so ito po yung preview niya. Dear Mr. Bernardino. So I think that satisfies me enough. So just click OK. And then after that, you can finally write the body of your letter. Okay, so about the body of the letter, I already prepared mine. Let me just find it here. Okay, so I already have the body of my letter. So I just want to copy paste this to to the other document. There. So it says, "Good day. We'll be celebrating the Christmas holidays in our family vacation house in Tagaytay, and there will be a Christmas party with our small family and some of our close friends. You have been one of the dearest friends I treasure in life. We have known each other for a long time, so I already considered you as part of my family. With that being said, I'd love to spend the holidays with you. I know we will have a great time in addition to our precious memories. I'm hoping to see you. I am also excited to introduce you with my other close relatives and friends. Should you have any problem concerning your trip here, let me know right away. You know I am always here to help. Your friend, Tina Dollente." So, gusto ko siyang ibahin. Siyempre, we're using MS Word, so pwede tayong maglagay ng ibang font size, and everything na available tools na magagamit. So, let me just edit it real quick. So, let's put a space between the three. And also, sa signature, here, this is the signature. So, hindi po siya kasama sa mail merge, yung function niya. So, itatype niyo po siya manually. Since we're talking about Christmas holidays, let me just apply a fancy font. Here. There. So the letter is finally ready. Now that the letter is ready, or the letters are ready, so all you have to do is to print this. Alam ko naman na alam niyo na mag-print, diba? So let's save it first. Oh no, you don't have to save it because we're going to export it. Create PDF, XPS document. There. So let's change the name. Christmas invitation. There. So, ito na po siya. Kapag na-save mo, kusang mag-a-appear ang ating PDF file. Ito na po. For our first recipient, for Mr. Frederick Villanueva, October 2. Okay, so since I'm already satisfied with the font and everything about my letter, let's just click finish and merge, and then edit individual documents. So just click OK. So this will appear. So notice na every recipient meron na siyang page. Then let's click File, Export, Create PDF or XPS document. Then create the same icon here. So let's click desktop, and then let's rename the file into Christmas invitation letter. Then let's publish it. Here is the results. So this is the PDF copy of the letter. there. And about your activity, what you're going to pass in our Google Classroom is the recipient list and the PDF copy of the letters that you're going to make. So I already told you, I already showed you how to make a recipient list, right? So all you have to do is to save that list and then pass it or upload it together with your letter, the PDF version of your letters. Okay?